This is AQA A-level Chemistry, and it's a multiple choice question on the topic of nomenclature and isomerism. So pause, have a go, and then review. First thing I'm going to do is draw out all four of these, and it's sometimes worth a quick sketch just so you can visualize what you're looking at. So I've got my 1,2-dichloropropene. I'm adding my others. I've got my 1,2-dichloropropane here, I've got my 1,3-dichloropropane here, and I've got my 1,3-dichloropropane down at the bottom for D. Now you've got to remember that stereoisomerism comes in two forms, geometrical isomerism, and we're seeing examples of that in A and C potentially, and B and D we're looking for optical isomerism. Now if we take a look at A and C first, for geometrical isomerism you have to have a double bond, and then you look at the carbon on the left of the double bond. Does it have two different groups coming from it? If it does, you look at the carbon on the right. Does that have two different groups coming from it? And if you get 3 yeses to those questions, you see that yes, these would have geometrical isomers. If we look at B, we're looking here for whether it has optical isomerism. Is there an asymmetric carbon? That is, a carbon that has 4 different groups coming from it. And it does. The carbon in the middle has a Cl, a CH3, an H, and a CH2Cl. Whereas if we look at D, we've got a C with 2 H's and 2 CH2Cls coming from it. That has no stereoisomerism, so the correct answer is D.